Welcome to the Dataflow Group video guide to walk you through the process of completing the primary source verification application for the Oman Medical Specialty Board, OMSB. To begin, go to www.dataflowgroup.com and hover over the Verifications tab at the top of the page. Then over the By Country of Regulator or Organizations tab, move to the Oman Country option and select the Oman Medical Specialty Board from the drop-down menu. To initiate your application, click on the Apply Now button. If you are a first-time user, click on the Sign Up as New User at the bottom of the login page in order to complete the registration. On the Sign Up page, check the Applicant box at the top, enter and confirm your email address, read the disclaimer carefully before you tick the I agree to the disclaimer checkbox, then click the Sign Up button. You will receive an automated email to your registered email ID containing a username and temporary password. Log in to your account using your registered email ID and a temporary password received. If you are a registered user, on the login page, check the Applicant box, enter your email ID and password, then click the Login button. You may also log in using your Facebook or Google or LinkedIn account details. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password button, check the Applicant box at the top, enter the email address used to sign up with the Dataflow group, then click Submit. You will receive an email to your registered email ID with a link to change your password. Please note, if you are based outside of Oman or have less than 2 years of experience in Oman, on the Profession Selection page, please choose the option that applies to you from the available professions. If you are only required to verify an additional document or have more than 2 years of experience in Oman, on the same Profession Selection page, select the Custom Package option. However, if you want to renew your medical license, select the Renewal of Medical License option. Once done, fill out the requested details, then click Next. On the Education Details page, enter the required information, upload a clear uncropped copy of your academic certificate, then click Next. To verify more than one academic certificate, click on the Add More button. Please note, additional charges are applicable if the number of documents you wish to verify exceed the Ministry of Health Oman requirements. In the next 2 steps, which are related to the employment and health license details, only healthcare practitioners with less than 2 years of their most recent experience in Oman are requested to fill out the required details. On the Employment License Details page, enter the required information, upload a clear, uncut copy of your employment certificate, then click Next. To verify more than one certificate, click on the Add More button. But please note that additional charges are applicable if the number of documents or your employment tenure exceeds OMSB's requirements. On the Health License Details page, which is only applicable to the physicians and nurses categories, enter the required information, upload a clear, uncropped copy of your health license, then click Next. You will be redirected to the Upload Documents page, where you need to upload a copy of your passport or identity card, a copy of your name change certificate if applicable, and your CV. Click on the Download Letter of Authorization button, then sign, scan, and upload the letter in order to proceed to the next step. Please note that this is a mandatory step in order to proceed to the next page. On the Application Submission page, carefully read the disclaimer message before you tick the checkbox next to it, then click Next. On the Your Payment Summary page, your OMSB reference number will be automatically generated and the total fee for your application will be displayed. On the Payment page, select your preferred payment method as a credit card. Choose either Visa or MasterCard, then you will be redirected to the bank page to settle the payment. Review your application carefully before making your payment, as you may not edit your application once the payment has been completed. Enter your credit card information, then click on the Pay button. Once the payment has been finalized, you will receive an auto-generated email to your registered email ID containing an attached payment receipt. To track the status of your application, click on the Check Status button. Once your application status is displayed as completed, then click the Download Report button.